Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to explore endocrine disorders, the conditions that arise when our body's hormone balance goes off track. We will learn how the overproduction, underproduction, or improper action of hormones can disrupt normal body functions and lead to various health problems. By the end of this session, you will understand how even a slight hormonal imbalance can affect growth, metabolism, reproduction, and overall well being, reminding us just how vital our endocrine system is in maintaining perfect harmony within the body. Let's start. Basically, the endocrine system is a collection of glands that produce hormones that regulate the body's growth, metabolism, sexual development, and function. Endocrine disorders results from abnormal level of available hormones. Common endocrine disorders include diabetes mellitus, diabetes insipidus, acromegaly, Addison's disease, Cushing syndrome, Graves' disease, Hashimoto's disease, thyroiditis, hyperthyroidism, and prolactinoma. So the pituitary disorders include gigantism. Excess growth hormone before epiphyseal fusion causes this disease in case of children. The symptoms of this disease include abnormally tall stature, large hand and feet. Acromegaly, it occurs due to excess growth hormone after epiphyseal fusion and it is found in adults. The symptoms of this disease is enlarged jaw, nose, hands, thickened skin. Dwarfism, growth hormone deficiency in childhood causes dwarfism, which is another pituitary disorder. The symptoms of dwarfism is short stature, delayed growth, etc. Diabetes insipidus, this is ADH deficiency or renal insensitivity. The symptoms of this disease is excessive urination or polyuria and thirst, that is called as polydipsia. Now we should study the thyroid disorders, which include goiter, hypothyroidism or myxedema in adults, and cretinism in children, and also hyperthyroidism, which is also called as Graves' disease. So goiter is caused due to iron deficiency due to low T3 T4 balance, which causes TSH overstimulation. Symptoms include the neck swelling due to enlarged thyroid and hypothyroidism. The cause of hypothyroidism is the low T3 T4 secretion. The symptoms of this disease is lethargy, weight gain, retarded growth, and low metabolism. Hyperthyroidism is caused due to autoimmune TSH receptor stimulation. The symptoms of the hyperthyroidism include high metabolism, weight loss, bulging eyes or exophthalmos, and irritability. Parathyroid disorders or hypoparathyroidism, which causes low PTH secretion, low parathyroid secretion, and symptoms include hypocalcemia, muscle spasms, or tetany. Hyperparathyroidism is caused due to excess parathyroid hormone. The symptoms of the disease include bone demineralization, kidney stones, and hypercalcemia. Pancreatic disorders include diabetes mellitus type 1, which is caused due to autoimmune destruction of beta cells when no insulin is released. Its symptoms include hyperglycemia, frequent urination, fatigue, and weight loss. Diabetes mellitus type 2 is caused due to insulin resistance. The symptoms of this disease is similar to type 1, but it occurs usually in adults. Hypoglycemia, excess insulin is the cause of hypoglycemia. In this case, the symptoms include dizziness, sweating, and weakness. Adrenal disorders, the disorders include Addison's disease. The cause of this disease is cortisol and aldosterone deficiency, and symptoms include fatigue, low blood pressure, and hyperpigmentation. Cushing syndrome occurs due to excess cortisol. The symptoms are obesity or moon face, high blood pressure, and muscle weakness. Pheochromocytoma, the cause of this disease is adrenal medullary tumor, which is caused due to excess adrenaline. The symptoms include high blood pressure, palpitations, sweating, etc. Gonadal disorders or hypogonadism. The cause of this disease is low sex hormone production, infertility. In underdevelopment, secondary characters are the symptoms of the disease. Polycystic ovary, or syndrome. The cause of this disease is hormonal imbalance, the upregulation of androgen and low FSH-LH balance. The symptoms include irregular periods, infertility, obesity, acne, etc. And this is the summary of different endocrine disorders. So, my dear students, today we have explored how endocrine disorders arise when the delicate balance of hormone in our body is disrupted. We learned how conditions like diabetes, hypothyroidism, and adrenal or pituitary disorders can affect growth, metabolism, and overall health. Understanding these disorders help us appreciate the importance of hormonal balance in maintaining homeostasis. If you found this session is insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting lessons in biology. See you in the next class, and as always, stay curious and keep learning about the amazing world of life. Thank you.